Hey guys, Steve here. Today I just wanted to make a quick video to go over the best $7 in my opinion, the best $7 investment that you could possibly make. Um, it's called Lead Lightning. It only costs $7 one time. There's no monthly fees. Basically, it's a all-in-one platform that includes a autoresponder, capture page, and a contact manager to keep all your contacts and leads. So let's just go through this sales page real quick. Let's see. Here's an introductory video, and on the video you even see one of the promotions could be ClickBank, which you can do ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any affiliate network, or you can promote Easy One Up. You can promote any offer, any primary business offer that you think is your primary. You can just plug it into the system, and on the back end, the emails will go out with that offer. Okay, so let's see here. It's perfect for beginners to start generating commission. It creates buyer leads. Buyer leads are people who purchased from you, and you have a list of those buyers, and you have a list of just normal leads, right? So now you have a separate list that you can target when you have a promotion, right? And everybody wants to generate leads and enrollments, so you're building that. So you're building that for your business that you can always follow up with and promote. You have your own, say, water well, you have your own gas pump, you know what I mean? You have the fuel for this online marketing business. If you have the traffic, if you have leads, you have your own traffic that you can toss an offer out to. You just have to keep building your list, okay? And Lead Lightning gives you the place to store all those leads, and it gives you the net to capture those leads. So that's the magic of this $7 that you just spent if you got this, okay? It has professionally written autoresponder campaigns to boost your sales. Basically, that's just verbiage that means that it has the email sequence, right? It has emails that follow up for you, that once the person enters their information into your capture page, the emails start going out consecutively. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many days in a row it is? I think it's 16 days. Okay. And that makes it automatic. So you get the lead once, and for 16 days, your $7 system, it's selling itself and promoting Easy One Up. It's selling itself and promoting Sensi or whatever, whatever offer that you have. Okay. Let's see. There's no monthly fees at all. One-time $7 purchase is the best thing you can make. I mean, you can flip it and keep making $6 commissions off of it. Okay. So how do we get started? You click this button here. But below that, they have testimonials of 4 people who actually bought Lead Lightning and used it to start growing their business. Okay. The top marketers know the incredible power of a high converting targeted sales funnel. It's the secret to building a better list with red hot buyers. Okay. Because they've already purchased once, they'll purchase again. The odds are as likely that they will. Okay. So it's easy to use. Build a buyer's list. There's no monthly fees, so you can stay within whatever budget you have. It's only $7, and you can boost your sales and enrollments for any business. Like I said, any business. Just think about if you're trying to start a business and you want a team of affiliates or a team of people under you, right? You give this tool to them. They are more likely to succeed. Okay. You give the free version of it to them because you get that for the $7 too. You give the free version to them. They use it. And then every other lead passes up to you until they pay you the $7 or they pay $7 to get it. And then you get the $6 commission. So it's the best investment to grow your team and to succeed in your online endeavors, So anyway, with Lead Lightning, you can quickly and easily, and it just repeats all of those things again. All you need is the capture page that come with it, your promotion that you just put in the fill in the blank type promotion, and let it go. Let traffic go flying at the capture page, and you promote it in the proper way. You're going to get leads. Okay. So this is some of the things that you get. You get 2 different funnels. It's beginner friendly. It's a business in a box. And the thing is I like about this business in a box is the system to promote itself. That means it's automatic, automatically promoting itself through the 16-day emails that it automatically sends out. So you do the work one time of promoting it, you get a lead, and for 16 days, those emails are going out saying, hey, why don't you upgrade to Lead Lightning? Or hey, why don't you do this other business, Easy One Up? Or hey, here's another business that you can use this with, Easy One Up. And then that's a 100% commission business, which you get 25, 100 or 200 or $1,000. And your $7 your $7 marketing platform is promoting it. I mean, come on now. That's like, and you own both, right? So has a done for you follow-up email series. It has a place where you store all your contacts outside of, like in this case, Easy One Up. Outside of the Easy One Up database that keeps all your leads, you also have a separate database that you own for $7, right? That keeps all your leads there too. So you have two different places for your leads. So now all your Easy One Up leads are in that system and in your Lead Lightning system. So guess what you can do? You can start following up with those Lead Lightning members with a different offer. You know, I mean, and if something ever happened to Easy One Up site, which it won't, you still got your leads, in your other system. So I mean, and it's all for $7. Anyway, you get additional marketing help. They have banners, other email swipes, and they give you recommendations on how to get quality traffic. You have commission tracking. You have an e-wallet, which connects to a pay card. And the best thing of all, you get $6 for every $7 sale. You can make a $6 commission for every $7 buyer. Plus, unlock huge daily commissions. There's a guy, and I'll leave the link in the description box below, who gives away the system. And he made $258 in 1 week off of this $7 system. And I'll leave a link in the description box below. It's called promote any business or link without paid ads. And I'll leave the link in the description box, and you can see how you can just use that base system, which is this, and make money. So that's what we're in this business for, to offer people a service. And like I said, this is the best $7 investment that you can ever make. Now, here's some more testimonials just out of Facebook. And again, it's only $7. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can take this system and use any other offer. So you're going to go to your login page, and it is going to show you a different version. It's going to show you the Cadillac version of the Cadillac version of Lead Lightning. It's regular price $30, but it's a free trial. I mean, you could take it for a spin. If not, hit no thanks, and you'll get to this page where it says Lead Lightning across the top. And right here, it'll be your sponsor's information and whatever offer your sponsor's promoting. So getting started in 3 simple steps. It shows you a quick video, and it begins with the steps here. So step 1, you join the Facebook group. This is where you'll get other information or training, or if you have a question, you can ask in the group and somebody will comment on it. Step 2, choose which link below to advertise with. You have 2 funnels down here, and you'll need to pick one, either the free lead system, giving it away, or 2, the Lead Lightning $7 purchase, $6 commission funnel. Now, both of these promote your offer, your primary offer, whatever's here in their email follow-up sequence, okay? So let's figure out how to do this first, okay? So you take your offer. In this case, in this offer, I used Easy One Up. So that's here. You just go into your back office of Easy One Up, and you grab your lead capture page, okay? Now, once you grab your lead capture page, you paste it here. Oh, that was the wrong one. Let me go back here. You paste that Easy One Up lead capture page there, and you hit update. Okay, so now it says changes saved. Okay, so that's in the system now. So now you pick which one you want to use. So if you want to promote Lead Lightning and Easy One Up within the emails, you click this link, it takes you to here, and here it tells you web visitors who opt in to the link at the bottom will receive emails from you sent by us. Odd number emails 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will promote your system here, which is Lead Lightning, and the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 will promote your main outside website, which is this Easy One Up capture page. Now, here's the link that you promote. So you take this link here, and that's where you go promote it. Now, it also recommends that you follow these instructions so that this link doesn't get banned from Facebook or flagged. All right. And I'll show you what this funnel looks like. Go here, boom, boom. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let me go back and try it again. Let me make sure I copy that this time because I didn't. Copy link. Now let's paste it. Boom. Okay, that's good. Now here's what that funnel looks like. And this funnel promotes what? Lead Lightning and your primary offer. And it's basic. This is all you need is a basic capture page to get the person's information, right? Easiest online system, creates leads and daily cash. Absolutely newbie proof, training included, no experience required. Enter your email. Once they enter their email, they're going to be taken to this page and get presented with this offer. A day later, they're going to start getting the emails to promote Lead Lightning and your Easy One Up primary offer. So now let's go back and look at what this other free link looks like. So this is the free one that you can give away, right? So let's see what this one looks like. This is the link right here that you would share. And this looks like this. See? And this is the free one. I want to give you my list building website absolutely free. Okay. So they enter their information here. They go, let me see. And it takes them to the free lead system. It sends them that automatically. And now they're in your system again. And guess what? In a day, they're going to start getting their emails promoting your Easy One Up program. And also, it's going to promote the Lead Lightning. It's going to try to get them to upgrade, spend that $7 to get this Lead Lightning, and also show them your other business, which is your Easy One Up. Okay. And also, if you didn't know, once you put your Easy One Up information here, now when whoever you give this system to, when they come in at the top here, and they'll see your name as a sponsor, and they'll click here and see your link here. And your link will say whatever you're promoting. You know what I mean? So you're promoting it on the emails, you're promoting it in their back office, so they're seeing whatever offer you have all over the place. Okay? So that's it. Now let's see what other things that you get. You have this quick start, right? Which, like I said, walks you through in 3 simple steps. You have the training, right? It's called Lead Lightning Liftoff. It's a short video. Click here, Lead Lightning Picks. I never clicked this button, so I wonder what's here. Oh, these are actually, wow. Yeah, I haven't logged into this in a while. These are ways to promote Lead Lightning on social media. So you just copy image, and you can use this post and post it in Facebook. Okay. You see, and when people respond, you private message them the link. That's an update. I never knew that. But anyway, it says improved email deliverability, and it tells you how to connect your Gmail to it. It gives you traffic generation online tips, text links, email swipes, banners, video marketing advice, safe list, which is traffic exchanges, signature files, and different search engines, right? Also, it shows you how you can get clothing for offline generation and personal calls. And also, I'll have a link in the description box on how you can get 100 free drop cards, and also you can get postcards. But I'll leave that in the description box below as well. Um, so yeah, so that's part of the training. Here's the contact manager for the leads. It's empty because this my son's account is empty. Um, let's see, and you just walk through these different tools. You know, you can divide your group here, you can merge your group. So when you do get a buyers list, which you have all your lead lightning buyers, you can divide the group out and have two separate groups, one of buyers and one of just your normal leads and your contacts. There's accounts, your information, your money, right? Everybody wants to see that, where it keeps your commissions, and your e-wallet, your billing history. Let's see, commissions, no commissions here, but this is where that information would be, and you can always upgrade. So anyway, that's just a simple overview of lead lightning and what you can do with it and how you can really jumpstart your business, because it gives you everything you need. You don't have to go out and spend what is ClickBank's like, not ClickBank, ClickFunnels is like $97 a month for the basics. This is a $7 a month, the $7 one time cost to get your business up and going with what you need. You know, you spend that $7 one time, all you need is an offer, and then you can use whatever change or whatever money you have on traffic, sending traffic to your capture page, sending traffic to your capture page so you can get information, so you can get the engine running, so you can get the ball rolling. So, but anyway, I love lead lightning, and obviously this is like one of the best $7 investments that you could possibly make. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. If you got any questions, comments, leave them in the comment box below. All the links will be in the description box below. And thanks for hanging out. I'm out.